Hi, in this video we will learn about div and span. Div are the most frequently used tag in HTML. So div or span are special tag which are used for the container purpose. They are acting like logical container. So what is a logical container? So if you want to group your elements in a particular group, or if you want to merge your elements in a particular uh, container, but default span is just like a container. So suppose there are some paragraphs. I'm just putting some random text like this. So now I want to group them together for some design purpose. So I will use div. So inside this div I will put these two paragraphs for my designing. So div is very useful. You can nest it also. So inside div there will be many divs. So better if I show you how the div is useful. So just go to any site like google.com. So in your Google homepage, what you will do, you will just go with inspect, and you can see there are a lot of div tags. So they are like logical container. So uh, if you go with particular element like this, that header element. So look, this header element is actually a div. So inside div there are lot of elements. So this element also is a div. So it is like a container. So inside that container there are a lot of things like this Google logo and all. So if you go through this, so you can see the elements inside the div. So div is actually a logical container, and it is very useful when you are going to design your page. Main difference between div and span is div is for the block content and span is for the inline content. Block content means it will inject like block by block, and span is inline means normal line, means if you want to do it in one line, you have to use a span. I am showing you one example. So suppose if I want to create a div, like this is my div. Now I am putting some text. I am here, and I am putting another text. My name is Subhendu. So this is the div. But if you want to use span, it is inline. Like if you use span, I am here, and then if you use span again, like my name is Subhendu. So it is coming in line. So these two span, they are these both are span, but they are coming in line. But if you see in div, so it is like block, means it is one block and it is one block. There are two blocks and there is some line break. So that is the main difference between div and span. But nowadays most of the time divs are used because using CSS we can do inline or block, whatever we want we can do. So that's it for div and span. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.